we've been having a problem recently with our engine stalling out, and it seems to only do it when we're approaching a dock or trying to leave a dock. And of course, that's the most inopportune time to lose your engine. So I've tried to pay attention to what's going on, and I've noticed that when when you're doing close quarters maneuvering, you're throttling up, throttling down, shifting in and out of forward, neutral, reverse, etc. And so you keep going to idle speed quite frequently. And I noticed that when I'm under load going to idle speed, it's dropping to about 500 RPM, which is out of range. This engine is supposed to idle between 600 and 800 RPM. So I'm going to adjust the idle speed and see if that solves our problem. Oh, that's not good. I just broke the slot off of the idle adjust screw. So here's what happened. The slot that you put a flathead screwdriver in on the idle adjustment screw, I couldn't get the screw to turn. It was 30, 40 years of not being turned probably. It was kind of stuck in there. And in trying to make it turn, I broke one of those slots off that your flathead screwdriver goes into. And so now there's no slot, so you can't turn the screw anymore. I called all the places that carry Lehman parts, and they say nobody carries that screw, which is what I found out. They said they've never heard of it breaking before. Leave it to me to be the first. Yay. So one place suggested that I call around to some local fuel pump repair places that maybe they would have that kind of a screw. We'll see. I probably need to be in a big city to find that kind of a place. So we're just going to see what we can do to make do at the moment.
And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover
got underway yesterday, heading south to the Florida Keys, and I just got to tell you, it's kind of a funny quirk of being on a slow-moving boat. So my sister and her husband live less than 30 minutes away from where we were docked at the St. Lucie Lock Marina, and so they drove up, and along with my mother and Marie and I, we went out to dinner, and it was, you know, kind of a send-off dinner, and because we're leaving, we won't be back for a while. And while we're having dinner, they said, "So where are you anchoring tomorrow?" And of course, I'd already plotted out my course. So I said, "Well, we're anchoring in the Hobe Sound area near this restaurant called the Blue Point Restaurant." They said, "Oh, we go there all the time. Why don't we meet you there for dinner?" So last night, which was our first day underway, we dropped anchor, we dinghied over to the restaurant, and we had dinner with my sister and her husband again, second night in a row. Their friends Mark and Mari joined us for dinner, and Marie, who's a fast car enthusiast, got to ride in Mark's Lamborghini.
We had 100 going out of the parking lot.
And so then, while we're sitting there talking, they said, "So where are you anchoring tomorrow night?" And I said, "In Lantana, near this restaurant." So they're going to meet us tonight at that restaurant. Only on a slow-moving boat can you travel 4 hours a day and have dinner with your sister and her husband 3 nights in a row, because you still haven't gotten out of range of their home. Thanks for watching.